In this video, we will demonstrate how to add a document template to your company documents. From the previous video, we have already added some content to our document template. For simplicity, it is just a copy and paste of an example text. Now, when you go back to your Documents tab, you choose your document template, and then you send it in review like you would do with a company document that you have been altered and changed. Then you have to go to Edit and select in the upper right corner in Review, which only shows those chapters which have been changed in this revision. In this example, as you can see on the left-hand side, all chapters have been changed because they have all been added with new content. And when the page loads, you simply click on the acceptance arrow and confirm by clicking on it that the version that you have entered is the correct version for your new revision. When you did so for the last chapter, you click on the Save button. And then you're automatically redirected to the initial page where you can now click on Accept, which will change the status from in review to approved. You see that we have created an accepted revision of our document template. And only in this status, this template is available for addition to your company documents. To do so, you go to your Company tab. You click on Add New. Then you select the document, which is the only one which is now available. You can leave the base revision as is, because it will use the latest revision available. You can choose a version for your manual. In this example, we leave it as version 1.0. And you have to add a responsible for the document, which is depending on the nature of your document. For example, your NPFO, your NPCT, or any other person who is the owner of the document. In version highlight, you can give a description of why this version was created, but you can change this anytime afterwards as well. You confirm everything with Save. And from your Documents tab in your company documents, you have now your document template available, which you can edit. As usual, you could click on Customize to add customized chapters, as you know, and this is exactly the same as with all the other manuals you have already been dealing with. It is important to note that before you can use a document template in your company documents, you have to follow exactly these steps to add an existing revision of your document template to your company documents. And you have to repeat this every time you are going to do major updates to your document template. And if you do so, you will see that the base revision will remain on revision number 1, because that's the first revision which we created. And in case your documents template gets updated by adding a new revision to it, you will get a notification saying the latest available revision, for example, is then revision number 2. And you could then use Recreate or Create Draft based on the status of your document to inherit the updates from your document template.